Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to show you how to connect your Hamali GT01 with the Very Fit app on an Android phone. Also in the next video, we will show how to connect with an iOS device. Before we start, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So, let's begin here immediately. We have the Hamali GT01, and let's see how to connect it. You can download the app by searching for it in the Play Store if you know it. But if you don't, you need to find the QR code for the app which it uses. So, what we're going to do now is take our phone and scan it. After we have scanned it, will show us a link that sends us to the Google Play Store. And here we have the Very Fit app which we can download and connect to our watch. So, we are going to download it really fast right now, and after we have done so we're going to go inside and see how to connect our watch. So now that the app is done, let's open it up and see what's inside. First, it's going to show you the tutorial, and then it's going to ask to accept the service agreement and privacy policy, so we're going to agree. Then it will ask for access to your files and media and also access to your location, so we're going to click accept also. After that it will start to look for your device by scanning nearby devices, and after it has found it you can click on it, and it will start to pair with your device, and it will send a request on your watch as you can see here, so we're going to accept, and now we have a successful bind. Next it will ask to select your current country, so we're going to select ours, and also input your personal information like gender, date of birth, height and weight, and after we've done so it will ask to register into your account so you can create one, and after that we can go in. After that it will ask for some other permission like access to your contacts, to make and manage your phone calls and also access your phone call logs, which we're going to accept all. We should also turn on the system notifications, which we want to be notified by the app, so we need to go into settings and turn on the notifications for the app. After that we're all ready to get into the app and see some of the options it has inside. First up we're going to go to device, which is on our bottom options, and select the device management where we can see the info about our device, upgrade it, and restore it. The next option we can see is watch face market, where we can change the profile or face of our watch. Here we have our own faces and the online faces, which let us choose from a different variety of watch faces, with different categories, and you can choose whichever you like best, and if you want one you need to download it. Let's try one and see for ourselves. We can download it, and then it will change our watch face immediately. Next, we've got notifications management, where you can choose which apps from your phone can send you notifications, and which can't, so you can choose based on what apps you use and want notifications from, or if you want you can turn them off altogether. Next up we've got alarm, where you can add any alarm that you want. You can label them however you want, and make them repeat if you need them on weekdays, weekends, or every day. After that we've got call alert, which serves for showing caller name and ID when we get a phone call, which we'll need to set on our phone settings to allow the app to use our contacts call logs and phone so we can make and receive calls. After we have done so we can turn call alert on. Next, we've got health tracking, where we can turn on continuous tracking on heart rate, stress, SpO2, and reminders to walk, drink water, and period tracking for women. We also have more settings where we can find DND mode, or do not disturb, where you can set it how you want, intelligent exercise recognition, where it recognizes running and walking, also the sports type that you want tracking for, where you can choose from 14 types, and if you want you can put them all to track. We've also got Find My Phone, music control if we want to turn them on or off. Lift your wrist to turn on the screen. Weather push and screen brightness where we can turn automatic brightness at night. Next, we've got shortcuts which can change the widgets on your watch based on which ones you want to be shown. As you can see here, after we've added the ones we wanted, it has changed them instantly into the device. Next is the device language where we can find and change the language settings based on what language we want and speak and want the watch to show. And in home we've got the health monitoring options where you can track every activity you have done while wearing your watch and other health data like workout, sleep, heart rate, SpO2, pressure and steps, where you can see all the data which your watch has sent and gathered from monitoring you. You can also see every record daily, weekly, monthly and yearly, and see all your averages, your calories burnt, your time exercising and all the exercises you've done. After that, in the bottom middle we have exercise where we can start any activity that we want and which shows us all the exercises we've done, the distance we've traveled, calories burnt and total times we've done those exercises like walking, running, cycling and others. And last to the end you've got your profile where you have your messages, your profile. And settings where you can go into account and security settings, personalization settings, unit settings and others that you can change however you prefer. So this is pretty much it on the Very Fit app, how to connect and what to expect inside. It's a great and really easy app to use, and it works really well. This was all for today's video. In the next one we will show you how to connect your watch with iOS. I really hope you enjoyed and found this video interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video with another smart device.